Ever wondered what makes BMW's engineering stand out from the rest? A question that has intrigued car enthusiasts and technophiles alike for decades. At the heart of BMW's engineering excellence lies an intricate puzzle, a captivating blend of precision, attention to detail, and continuous innovation. These elements, amongst others, form the bedrock of BMW's unique engineering ethos. Precision is a defining trait of BMW. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, but how you get there. BMW engineers dedicate countless hours to perfecting every minute detail, from the seamless integration of the engine and transmission to the meticulous calibration of the suspension system. It's this relentless pursuit of accuracy, this obsession with perfection, that sets BMW apart. Attention to detail is another cornerstone of BMW's engineering. A BMW is not simply a car, it's a work of art, a masterpiece of design and technology. Every stitch in the leather upholstery, every curve of the bodywork, every glimmer of the chrome accents is carefully considered and flawlessly executed. This commitment to detail extends to the unseen corners of the car too, the parts only a mechanic would see. Even there, BMW's commitment to detail is uncompromising. And then there's innovation. BMW has always been at the forefront of automotive technology, pioneering new ways to enhance the driving experience. From the development of their iconic inline-six engine to the introduction of their groundbreaking iDrive system, BMW has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible, transforming the industry in the process. These key elements, precision, attention to detail, and innovation, are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to understanding the intriguing puzzle of BMW's engineering excellence. Each one is a piece of a much larger picture, a picture that reveals the depth and breadth of BMW's engineering prowess. So, let's delve deeper into the journey of BMW's engineering evolution. Let's unravel the threads of this captivating story, and in doing so, gain a deeper understanding of what truly sets BMW apart from the rest. BMW's engineering prowess did not come overnight. It was a gradual process rooted in a rich history. The genesis of BMW's engineering dates back to the early 20th century, when BMW, or Bayerische Motorenwerke as it was originally known, was established in Munich, Germany. BMW's early years were not devoted to car manufacturing. Instead, the company was a producer of aircraft engines, a venture that set its foundation in precision engineering. It wasn't until the late 1920s that BMW delved into car manufacturing, with the BMW 315s, their first car model, hitting the roads. The BMW 315s, though not a technical marvel by today's standards, was a significant milestone in BMW's engineering journey. It was a testament to BMW's commitment to quality and performance, setting the stage for the company's future direction. In the following decades, BMW continued to expand its engineering prowess. The company began to develop its own engines, steering systems, and suspension designs. Each new model was a step forward, allowing BMW to refine its approach and further hone its skills. This period also saw the birth of BMW's unique design philosophy. The company aimed to create vehicles that were not only high-performing, but also aesthetically pleasing and comfortable. This focus on the balance of performance and luxury became a hallmark of BMW's engineering. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. BMW faced numerous challenges along the way, including economic hardships and the devastation of World War II. But each obstacle was met with resilience and innovation, further strengthening BMW's engineering prowess. The company's commitment to innovation saw the development of groundbreaking technologies like fuel injection and anti-lock braking systems. These advancements would not only revolutionize BMW's own models, but also set new standards for the entire automobile industry. From these humble beginnings, BMW started its journey towards engineering supremacy. From aircraft engines to iconic car models, BMW's engineering story is one of continuous evolution and innovation, driven by a relentless pursuit of performance, quality, and luxury. BMW's engineering has evolved over the years, keeping pace with technological advancements and customer expectations. Let's take a fascinating journey through time, starting from the mid-20th century. In the 50s, BMW took a leap in engineering with the introduction of the BMW 507. This model, with its aluminum V8 engine, was a testament to BMW's commitment to lightweight construction and high performance. As we shift into the 60s, the BMW New Class series marked a significant milestone. The series introduced the first-ever independent rear suspension, setting a new benchmark in handling and driving comfort. This decade also saw the birth of the BMW/5 Series motorcycles, which showcased BMW's prowess in two-wheeler engineering. The 70s were all about fuel efficiency and aerodynamics. The BMW M1, with its aerodynamic design and fuel-efficient engine, was a clear reflection of these priorities. Meanwhile, the 3, 5, and 7 Series cars set new standards in luxury and performance. Fast forward to the 90s, a time when BMW began to focus on environmental sustainability. The electric BMW E1 prototype was a pioneer, highlighting BMW's vision for a greener future. This decade also saw BMW integrating computer systems in their cars, paving the way for today's intelligent vehicles. The new millennium brought with it a focus on connectivity and digital technology. BMW iDrive, introduced in the early 2000s, revolutionized in-car technology, offering drivers unprecedented control and connectivity. The current decade is a testament to BMW's commitment to innovation. The BMW i8, a plug-in hybrid sports car, combines the benefits of innovative electric motor and combustion engine technologies. The BMW Vision iNext showcases the potential of autonomous driving, while the BMW i3 represents BMW's dedication to sustainable mobility. Throughout the decades, BMW has been at the forefront of automotive engineering, adapting and innovating to meet the changing needs of the times. Each model, each innovation, has been a stepping stone in BMW's evolutionary journey. This evolutionary journey has resulted in the BMW we all admire today. BMW's current engineering prowess is a culmination of years of innovation and refinement. This brilliance shines through in a number of key features that set the brand apart from other car manufacturers. One of the most noteworthy aspects of BMW's engineering today is their engine technology. The brand's commitment to creating high-performance engines that deliver power and efficiency is simply unmatched. BMW's twin-power turbo engines, for example, utilize a twin-scroll turbocharger, direct fuel injection, and variable valve control to provide an incredible balance of performance and fuel efficiency. This technology is a testament to BMW's relentless pursuit of engineering excellence. Moving on to the chassis design, BMW's engineers have always been pioneers in creating vehicles that are both strong and lightweight. The use of high-strength steel, aluminum, and carbon fiber in their chassis designs allows for a perfect combination of rigidity and weight reduction. This results in vehicles that offer superior handling and performance, without compromising on safety or comfort. Another key feature of BMW's engineering is their driver-centric focus. BMW's engineers understand that a car is more than just a machine, it's an extension of the driver. Therefore, every element of a BMW's design is crafted with the driver in mind. From the ergonomically designed interiors to the intuitive controls and advanced driver assistance systems, BMW's engineering philosophy is all about enhancing the driving experience. Furthermore, BMW's commitment to innovation extends beyond the physical aspects of their vehicles. The brand's use of cutting-edge technology, such as digital interfaces and connectivity features, demonstrates their dedication to staying ahead of the curve. The BMW operating system 7.0, for example, offers a highly customizable and immersive digital experience that truly sets the brand apart. These features are what make BMW's engineering truly exceptional. From engine technology to chassis design, from driver-centric focus to cutting-edge technology, BMW's engineering is a masterclass in precision, performance, and innovation. It's these features that make a BMW a BMW. BMW's engineering has not only revolutionized their own cars, but also set a benchmark in the automobile industry. The impact of their engineering philosophy is a testament to their relentless pursuit of perfection, and its echoes can be heard far and wide, beyond just the confines of their own production lines. BMW's commitment to precision, performance, and luxury has been instrumental in shaping the automobile industry as we know it. Their dedication to cutting-edge technology and innovative design has not only set new standards, but also encouraged other manufacturers to step up their game. BMW's engineering prowess has paved the way for groundbreaking developments in car manufacturing. Their focus on lightweight construction and fuel efficiency, for example, has influenced the industry to rethink traditional manufacturing methods. The result? Cars that are lighter, faster, and more fuel efficient than ever before. BMW's engineering philosophy has also had a profound impact on safety standards in the automobile industry. Their commitment to passenger safety is reflected in their advanced safety features and crash test performances. This has been a driving force behind improving safety standards across the industry, pushing other manufacturers to follow suit. But it's not just about the cars. BMW's engineering excellence has also helped shape the future of mobility. Their research and development in electric vehicles and autonomous driving technology have been instrumental in propelling the industry towards a more sustainable and autonomous future. And let's not forget about the impact on the consumer. BMW's engineering has redefined what consumers expect from a car. It has set a new standard for performance, luxury, and safety, raising the bar for what is considered premium in the automobile industry. Indeed, the legacy of BMW's engineering is far-reaching. It has transformed the way cars are designed, manufactured, and driven. It has inspired a new generation of engineers and played a pivotal role in shaping the future of mobility. BMW's engineering excellence is not just about creating outstanding cars, it's about setting a standard for the entire industry. It's about pushing boundaries, challenging the status quo, and driving innovation forward. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the true impact and legacy of BMW's engineering.